guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to do my Upton facial using Wow skincare products, and the products which I have with me is this one. This is the Wow Upton face wash. Then I have their face and body scrub, Upton wala, Upton face and body scrub, and definitely then I have their Wow Upton face and body pack. So I will be using all these products on my face, but this scrub and this pack you can use it on your body too. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just buzz into the video. Now first I will be using this Upton face wash, and this Upton face wash is having chickpea flour, this is having turmeric, saffron, almond extract, rose water and sandalwood oil, and it is suitable for all skin types. And by the way, I am using all these products for more than 2 weeks, and that's the reason I thought of sitting down and doing this facial video for all of you guys, because I believe this video is going to be helpful. So first I am just wetting my face. I have everything over here only because I have to just sit and do this facial in front of you guys. So yeah, this is the face wash. So yeah, now this is the best part of this face wash, that you don't actually have to use your hands. Little bit actually works, you don't need a lot of products. So yeah, so this is how my skin is looking after using this Wow Upton face wash. You can see the difference. Okay, see, my skin has become much more clearer and brighter. Now I will be using Wow face and body scrub. By the way, I am using everything on my face because I am doing facial, but if you want, you can use this scrub on your body as well. So guys, this is how the product looks like. It is see, it has a very creamy consistency. Now they have provided a spatula. You can see the spatula is really of good quality, and it is very soft also. And I will be taking out this scrub by the spatula only. I do not want to dip my hands in it when I have this spatula with me. Okay. Now the granules of this scrub is not at all harsh, but you have to use just your fingertips and scrub it very gently. All of the products, they smell very nice according to me. You will be getting the chickpea flour, the besan smell. You will be getting the sandalwood oil smell in it. Just now I remember something, guys. I read somewhere that when your mood is off, you're not feeling that good, you're feeling low, that time just quickly scrub your face and it will just uplift your mood. And I have tried it. It really works. You can definitely try this out. I'm not joking, by the way. And yeah, I have almost finished the scrubbing of mine, and let me just wash my face and come back to you guys and show you all how my face is looking after using this Wow Upton face scrub. Can you see the change on my face? My skin has become so much softer, smoother, and it has become literally brighter. If you just rewind back, you can see when I just started the video, and just come back and see right now the condition of my skin. It has improved massively. Okay, now it's time to put the face mask on. Now this is the face pack which I will be using. It is the Upton face pack. I'm liking the packaging, you know. Lot of product is there. And I'm getting the chickpea smell also, and each of this jar is containing 200 ml of product, and I'm loving this spatula. It is very flexible also, means you can bend it as you wish to. So this is how the face pack looks like. It is having a very creamy consistency. It's cold, huh? From each of the product I am getting the chickpea smell, the sandalwood smell, little bit of rosy smell also I am getting because it is having rose oil. As you can see, my face pack is on, and I will be waiting for 15 to 20 minutes to show you guys how I look after taking off this face pack. So yeah, I will be back within a short while. Now my face mask has become dry, so what I'm doing, instead of taking it off, I'm just applying little bit of water and rubbing it like this. This is the best way to take off one Upton face mask. And after you finish this step, then you are ready to remove the face mask by washing it off. And yeah, I'm going to do the same and show you guys all the results. Here I am, and this is how my skin is looking. Super soft, smooth, clearer, brighter. And one more thing, if you notice that you can't see my open pores right now, but I do have the problem of open pores. And one more thing which I want to mention, that all these three products didn't dry my face at all. I have a very dry skin type. If you watch my videos, you must be knowing this, but all these products were having basin, but surprisingly it didn't dry my face out because it is having almond too. It is very moisturizing by the way. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this Wow Upton skincare range, guys. I will definitely recommend you also to give this a try. All the links are given in the description box. If you want to check it out, you can definitely check it out. And I'm 100% sure you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please do leave a like and do subscribe to my channel. And stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, and see you all in my next video. Until then, take care, tata, bye bye.